Hey friends, here is a review of the Mossy Oak Multitool. I think this is one of my favorite budget options. This thing is a tank. If you look, I mean just the construction, it's very thick, very stout, no thin metal holding it together. Even though it's skeletonized, it's still really, really robust. They are spring-loaded. They have a decent needle nose pliers head, and then side gripping pliers head as well, including wire cutters. Let me demonstrate the wire cutting while we're right here. I'm just going to do a double 14 gauge. So you can see, does that just fine. No worse for the wear. I really, really like these things. You access all the tools with it closed. And it's got some great options here. It's got a good file one side and then a ruler on the other. It's a crosscut. Also, should say the parts lock. So you press down here to release either one of these. Got a good drop point blade with a nice grind on it. And same deal, you press this to release the lock and bring it in. And then it also has 4 double-sided bits that come with this full size bit holder, and you can hold it at, set it at a right angle or straight ahead, depending on how you want to do it, so you can use it that way. So like I said, these are double-sided. So you have Phillips 1 and 2, you have 1/8 inch and 3/16 inch, or 4 and 6 millimeter, sorry, flatheads. You have T10 and T15, and then you have more precision Phillips 0 and a 2.5 mil flathead bit. So let's just put one of those in there so you get a look. So it's held in by a detent system, kind of friction, and there's resistance in there, but you're able to remove them. I do wish that was a little tighter, but if you're pushing down on it, you shouldn't have any issues. So, but yeah, the full-size bit holder is a real plus to me. On the other side, it's got a serrated blade, ground on both sides, and then the serrations. And again, these are all locking. It's got the can opener and another flathead bit there on the end. Very sharply ground. Like, this is not sloppy machining here. It's got the awl. It's a pretty steep one at that. If you look at it's hard to see the bevel of that, but the angle is very, very steep there. Not a very acute angle. And it's got bottle opener and another flat bladed screwdriver, and then a really, really aggressive saw. And this thing really does great. Let me get a piece of wood here and show you. All right, just real quick, I'm going to just cut it this guy real quick, if I can get it. So, nice clean cuts. Aside from user error here, trying to hang on to that, looking through a camera, but you get the idea. So, really well done saw blade. So overall, I think this is a great value multi-tool from Mossy Oak.